Blessed day, everyone. I am John Rejek Takay, and welcome to our journey throughout the history and evolution of communication, from ancient cave paintings to the digital age. Let's explore how humans have connected with each other over the time. So, let's dive in. Our story begins with the visual era, where early humans used symbols and images to communicate. Cave paintings. Cave paintings dating back over 30,000 years are some of the earliest forms of visual communication. These images were used for storytelling and rituals, capturing the daily life and spiritual beliefs of early humans. Hieroglyphs. The ancient Egyptians developed hieroglyphs, a complex system of pictorial writing used for record keeping and religious texts. These symbols documented history, culture, and even administrative details in a unique visual language. Papyrus. The invention of papyrus in Egypt marked the beginning of paper as a medium of writing. This innovation allowed for widespread dissemination of information, making it easier to record and share knowledge. Printing press. Johann Gutenberg's invention of the printing press is the 15th century revolutionized and spread knowledge by enabling mass production of books and documents. It made information accessible to a much larger audience. Semaphore. Semaphore, an early form of visual signaling using flags, allowed for long-distance communication. Now, enter the wired era, characterized by innovations that connected people across vast distances using wires and electricity. Telegraph. Samuel Morse's invention of the telegraph in 1837 marked that the first electronic communication system. Using Morse code, it allowed for instant long-distance communication and was a crucial tool for news dissemination and coordination. Telephone. In 1876, Alexander Graham Bell introduced the telephone, revolutionizing voice communication by enabling real-time conversation over wires. This breakthrough fundamentally changed personal and business communication. Radio. The invention of radio by Guglielmo Marconi in the late 19th century allowed for the wireless transmission of sound, broadcasting, news, and entertainment. Radio reached millions and played a pivotal role in shaping modern mass media. Television. Television combines sound and moving images, creating a powerful medium for entertainment and information. It brought visual storytelling into people's homes and became a central platform for public communication. Computer. The development of computers opened up new possibilities for communication, data storage, and information processing. Early computers laid the groundwork for the interconnected digital world we know today. Finally, we arrive at the wireless era, where instant and wireless communication technology has made the world more connected than ever before. Mobile phones. The invention of mobile phones made communication truly portable and accessible. From bulky devices to today's powerful smartphones, mobile technology has transformed how we stay connected on the go. Internet. The Internet, a global network connecting computers, revolutionized instant communication and access to information. It has become an essential tool for daily life and has radically changed how we interact, work, and learn. Social media. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram has changed the way we interact, share information, and build communities. They have created a digital social network that transcends geographical boundaries. Video conferencing. Video conferencing tools like Zoom and Skype allow for face-to-face communication across the globe. They have become crucial for business, education, and staying in touch with loved ones, especially during the times of physical distance. As we look to the future, upcoming technologies like 5G, quantum communication, and augmented reality promise to further revolutionize how we connect. The evolution of communication is a fascinating journey, and the future holds even more exciting possibilities. This is Janberji Kakai. Thanks for watching.